Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to use Pendrive as RAM. If you have very low RAM, then you can increase RAM by using Pendrive. ReadyBoost increases your RAM. If you have 2 GB RAM installed, ReadyBoost can add 2 more GB, or 4 GB to the system, so that system can run smoothly. So, to do this we need an external USB disk. USB 3 disk is recommended, but you can use USB 2 disk also. Low data transfer rate devices won't work. So take a Furious USB disk 4 GB at least. Plug the USB disk and format it in FAT32. But if you have 8 or 16 GB USB and want to use more than 4 GB, then format the USB disk in NFTS format. Or you can use this drive without formatting. Right-click on USB disk drive. Select Properties from context menu. Now select ReadyBoost tab. You may have 2 possible errors here. First error is related to your PC. Your PC is already fast enough so that ReadyBoost doesn't required, or ReadyBoost can't provide additional performance. In this case, you don't need ReadyBoost and skip this step. Second error is related to the USB disk that you are using. It doesn't have enough speed to increase system performance. In this case, you have to try another USB drive. I hope you'd find another one and overcome these errors. You'd see 3 options. Do not use this device, which is default selected. Now, you have to choose between second and third option. Second option, dedicated this device to ReadyBoost, means ReadyBoost will use the whole unused space. Suppose you have 8 GB pen drive, 2 GB your personal data, 6 GB unused. Then ReadyBoost use whole 6 GB. Third option, use this device. It's manual. As you can see, you can select the space for ReadyBoost. Select any one of second or third, then click on Apply and OK. Now you have to plug the disk and restart PC to start ReadyBoost. That's it. Remember, ReadyBoost will decrease your USB disk life.